Imagine spending hundreds more on Dyson's newest vacuum, only to find out the older one might be the smarter buy. Today we're comparing the Dyson V16 Piston and the Dyson V15 Detect, and the winner isn't as obvious as you think. The V16 is Dyson's newest flagship. It packs a massive 315 air watts of suction, compared to the V15's 240 air watts. That's roughly 30% more power. It also runs for up to 70 minutes versus 60 minutes on the V15. But here's where things get interesting. The V16 introduces a huge 1.35-liter compression bin that can compact dirt, meaning fewer trips to the trash. The V15, just 0.77 liters. For pet owners, the V16's new dual conical brush system is designed to pull hair straight into the bin without tangles. Meanwhile, the V15 still fights back with one feature people absolutely love, the fluffy optic laser head, which exposes microscopic dust on hard floors and has become one of Dyson's most praised cleaning tools. And despite the V16's extra power, some reviewers actually found the V15's floor head performs better in certain real-world cleaning situations. So here's the twist. If you want the most powerful Dyson ever, bigger dust capacity, longer runtime, and better hair handling, the V16 wins. But if you want the best value, proven performance, and that famous laser dust detection, the V15 Detect is still incredibly hard to beat. Sometimes the newest upgrade changes everything, and sometimes it just makes you appreciate the original even more. Which one would you choose, Team V16 or Team V15? Let me know in the comments.